Hey, Jeff here, and a little while ago I teased you with a post that looked something like this on the screen here, titled MTBLS, or meatballs, meaning the Modular Table Building Lack System, which was a concept I had a little while ago that I thought maybe had some market viability, and I wanted to play around with it. I had a whole video planned out. I shot stuff and started throwing it into the editor and just didn't really want to go forward with it. So you're not going to get that video, nobody is, but you are going to get meatballs. Not actual meatballs, but the system that I put together, which consists of these corner pieces that attach IKEA lack tables, like these ones you see behind me all stacked up here, together. There's also some couplers that I don't have any extras of in my hand. There's also this little bit right here, which is meant to be sort of like a docking connector. There's a mating connector that goes with it on the other side of the table, so you can bay them together and they won't shift around. And even a wrench for tightening the legs on a whole bunch of lack tables. So you use your lack table, you combine it with IKEA lag tapping tops, or you get like the butcher block tops or whatever. There's also some corner pieces to mount those, and you can kind of build furniture with furniture. I thought there might have been something there. I don't know. I don't know if there's enough people interested in that, but this kind of builds on a concept that already exists. Kind of the lack rack or lack enclosures that have been around for a while. Some of the brackets on the table you see to the right of me were ones that I already found on Thingiverse. They're already out there and they exist, but I just thought I could do it better. These use less than half the fasteners. They screw into areas where the lack tables are stronger. I think it's just a little easier to assemble too, so I'm putting them out there. There's going to be a Thingiverse link somewhere. Go check it out, download it, print your own, order some to get printed. I don't know. It's going to be out there and you can experiment and play around with my goofy IKEA hacking system. Thanks for watching.